Okay, we will solve this one. Given the points, x is positive 1, y is positive 2. Yung second point is x is positive 3, y is positive 4. So, we will find the slope of the line. So, yung formula ng ating slope ay m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, yung x sub 1 natin, ito si 1. Okay, yung x sub 2 ay equals 3. Okay, y sub 1, that is equal to positive 2. Yung y sub 2, that is equal to positive 4. So, is-substitute natin yung value ng ating y sub 2. Okay, so yung y sub 2 natin is 4 minus y sub 1. Y sub 1 is 2 over x sub 2 natin is 3 minus x sub 1. Yung x sub 1 is 1. So, m equals 4 minus 2 is 2 over 3 minus 1 is 2. So, therefore, yung slope natin, that is equal to 1 or positive 1. So, the correct answer is letter B. Uy, wala na o-play.